Mowing your lawn is important to proper yard care, and the cosmetic improvements are obvious. But during the cooler winter season in North Florida, it may appear that there's no need for lawn maintenance. While there may be less visible need for winter lawn maintenance, to ensure a year-round turf health, here are a few simple tactics. North Florida lawns should not be fertilized after mid to late September, and the last fertilization should be done with a fertilizer containing higher or equal amounts of potassium relative to nitrogen. This helps tolerance to cold or freezing temperatures and enhances spring cleanup. In North Florida, avoid fertilizing from September through April, and keep your mowing height high year-round for additional enhanced stress tolerance. All this, of course, depends on the breed of grass and using the right type of mower for that specific grass. If you've got questions, give Legendary Lawn Maintenance a call. Legendary offers a full-service lawn maintenance program so that you don't have to worry about it. Ensuring a healthy lawn year-round, keeping everything fresh, green, and healthy, and presenting a good face to your community. For more information, call Legendary Lawn Maintenance or visit their website for a free estimate and a survey of your lawn needs. Your results might just be legendary.